Hello, good afternoon, Miss Suchi. Here I will give my opinion on why smoking is prohibited in campus area. Smoking in campus area should be prohibited for several important reasons. First, smoking can be harmful to health. Cigarette smoke contains various dangerous substances that can cause cancer, heart disease, and respiratory problems. Students who smoke or are exposed to cigarette smoke are vulnerable to long-term health impact. Second, campus is a place to learn and develop oneself, and a healthy environment supports this process. Exposure to cigarette smoke can interfere with the concentration and comfort of students who do not smoke. Apart from that, prohibiting smoking in campus area is also important to maintain cleanliness and create a greener atmosphere. Cigarettes often pollute the environment with carcely thrown cigarette butts which can pollute the surrounding area and add to waste on campus. By prohibiting smoking in campus area, we also support effort to reduce pollute and promote healthy lifestyle for the entire academic community. And it's also very good to avoid smoking in campus area. Why is it like that? Because that way students and school are protected from bad news and other things. Lastly, this ban will educate students about the importance of being aware of the negative impact for smoking, both for themselves and others. Reducing the prevalence of smoking on campus can be the first step to creating a healthier culture in society at large. Okay guys, let's move to materi present continuous tense. Part 2. Present continuous tense consists of three words: present, continuous, and tense, which each word has its own meaning. Present is period of time which is happening now, not the past or the future. Continuous is without a pause or interruption. Tense is any of the form of a verb that which show the time at which an action happened. From the information, both conclude that present continuous tense is any of the form that which show the time that used to express an action on period of time which is happening now. For the example, John is sleeping like right now. I need an umbrella because it is raining. John and Mary are talking on the phone. Slide 3. Present progressive often express the activity of general nature. Something generally in progress this week, this month, this year. For example, I'm taking 5 courses this semester. John is trying to improve his work habits. She is writing another book this year. Present continuous tense not only express the activity of general nature and the activity that in progress at the moment of speaking, but present continuous tense also express future time. Present continuous tense may be used to express future time when the idea of the sentence concerns a planned event or definite intention. A future meaning for present continuous tense is indicated either by future time word in the sentence or by the context. For example, my wife has appointment with a doctor. She is seeing Dr. Not next Tuesday. 2. Sam has already made his plans. He is leaving at noon tomorrow. 3. What are you going to do this afternoon? Slide 4. Formula present continuous tense. The present continuous tense formula: 1. Positive form. Subject plus am or is or are plus verb English plus object. Example: I'm studying for my exam. They are playing soccer. Example for negative form: she is not watching TV. We are not going to the party. Example from the question: are you coming to the meeting?
Are you crazy?
Is he working on the project?
Are you horny?
Slide 5. Use of am, is, and are.
Wanna suck my dick?
Am, is, and are auxiliary verb used in the present continuous tense to indicate the subject of the sentence. 1. Am. Use only with the subject I. Example: I am studying for my exam. I'm not feeling well today. 2. Is. Use with singular subject, including the third person singular. He, she, it. Example: she is reading a book. It is raining outside. He is not watching TV. Slide 6. Are. Use with plural subject and with the pronouns we, you, they. Example: we are going to the party. You are studying hard for the best. They are playing soccer. You are not coming to the meeting. This table, for example: subject I, auxiliary am. Sample sentence: I am cooking dinner. Subject he or she or it. Auxiliary verb is. Example: she is walking the dog. Slide 7. The present continuous tense is used to describe action or situation that are happening right now or planned for the future. Here are the main situations in which the present continuous tense is typically used. 1. Action happening right now. Used to show that an action is in progress at the moment of speaking. Example: she is reading a book. They are watching a movie. 2. Action occurring over a period of time. Indicates that an action is ongoing over a specific period, such as this week, this month, or this year, even if it's not happening at the exact moment of speaking. Example: I'm taking 5 courses this semester. He is working on a new project this year. Slide 8. The usage of present continuous tense. Future plans or arrangement. The present continuous can also be used for action or events that are planned or scheduled to happen in the future. often with a future time reference. Example, we are meeting the manager tomorrow. She is leaving for Paris next week. Usage summary, happening now. Example, to express something happening at the current moment over a specific period. Example, to express ongoing activity within a certain time frame. Future arrangement. Example, to express schedule plans or arrangement. Slide 9. Time expression in present continuous tense. Time expression help provide context for action that are currently in progress or planned for the future. Here are some commonly used time expressions in the present continuous tense. 1. Now. Indicate that an action is happening at this moment. Example, she is studying now. 2. Right now, at the moment. Used to emphasize that an action is occurring precisely at the time of speaking. Example, they are playing soccer right now. 2. He is working on a project at the moment. Okay, next guys. Slide 10. Today, this morning, afternoon, or evening. Indicate that an action is happening throughout the day or during specific part of the day. Example, I'm working from home today. 2. She is meeting client this afternoon. 4. This week or month or year. Used to express an action that is ongoing during specific period. Example, he is taking swimming lesson this month. 2. They are working on a new project this year. Next guys. Slide 11. 5. Tomorrow, next week, or month or year. Used to indicate future plans or schedule event. Example, I'm meeting my friend tomorrow. 2. They are traveling to Japan next month. Summary of common time expression. Time expression. For example, no, right now, at the moment. Use so an action happening at this every moment. 2. Today, this morning, or afternoon, or evening. Usage so an action occurring within the day. 3. This week, or month, or year. So an action occurring over a specific period. 4. Tomorrow, or next week, or month, or year. So future plan action. Slide 12. Difference between simple present and present continuous tense. Aspect, simple present tense, present continuous tense. 1. Usage. Used to describe habits, general fact, or daily routine. Present continuous tense. Used to describe action currently in progress or happening right now. Formula simple present tense, subject plus verb plus s or is. Formula present continuous tense, subject plus am plus is or are plus verb. Common type expression. Every day. Common time expression for simple present tense. For example, every day, always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, or never. Example present continuous tense. No, right now, at the moment, today, this week. Okay guys, next slide. Slide 13. Detail usage. 1. Simple present tense. Habits or routine. Used for action that happen regularly or as part of a routine. Example, I go to school every morning. Fact or general truth. States things that are always true. Example, water boils at 100 derajat Celsius. Next, slide 14. Present continuous tense, action happening now. For example, I'm reading a book now. Future plan can also express plan future action. Example, they are meeting you tomorrow. Next, slide 15. The present continuous tense often use certain time expression or context clues that indicate action happening now or plan of the future. Here are the common clues to look for in present continuous tense. 1. Time expression. This word indicates that an action is happening the current moment or within an ongoing time period. 1. Now, 2. Right now, 3. At the moment, 4. Today, 5. This week or month or year, 6. Tonight. For example, 1. She is studying right now. 2. They are working on a new project this month. Next, slide 16. Clues of present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is often used to describe temporary action, which are not done all the time. Example, I'm staying with my friend until my apartment is ready. 2. He is practicing guitar for the concert. 3. Context for definite future plans. Present continuous is also used to express certain or scheduled future plan, often with a specific time mentioned tomorrow, next week, or on Monday. Example 1. We are meeting the client tomorrow. 2. She is leaving for London next Monday. Next, slide 17. Present continuous tense for criticism. The present continuous tense can be used to express criticism or complain about habit or behavior that are annoying or bothersome. This usage often has a negative connotation and is commonly accompanied by adverbs like always, constantly, or forever to emphasize that the behavior happens repeatedly and is a source of frustration. Characteristic of usage for the criticism. 1. Emphasize annoying habits. Used to highlight habits or behavior that are disliked or considered annoying due for their repeat occurrence, often accompanied by always, constantly, or forever to stress the annoying frequency of the behavior. 2. Formula subject plus am or is or are plus always or constantly or forever plus verb ing. Example of criticism. She is always leaving her things everywhere. You are constantly interrupting me. He is forever complaining of the weather. Part acting common mistake in the present continuous tense. Using the verb of the verb to be. Example, she is reading a book. Correct, she is reading a book. Incorrect verb form, the main verb must be the ing form. Example mistake, he is run to the store. Correct, he is running to the store. Okay, next. Confusion with simple present. Present continuous describe an ongoing action, while simple present describe habits or general truth. Example, present continuous, she is studying now. Simple present, she is studying every day. 5. Using stative verb. Avoid using the continuous form with verbs that do not express physical action. Example mistake. I'm knowing the answer. Correct? I know the answer. 6. Negative sentence structure. Make sure to use not correctly. Example mistake. He not playing soccer. Correct? He is not playing soccer. Last part, conclusion. The present continuous tense is a crucial aspect of the English language. Used used to express actions that are currently happening or temporary situations. By understanding its structure form with the verb to be, am, or is, or are, followed by the base verb with an English ending, we can accurately describe ongoing activity and plan future events. Can point to remember primary usage. The present continuous tense is used to express action taking place at the moment of speaking. For example, she is reading a book now. 2. Future plans. This tense is also utilized to indicate plans that have already been set. For instance, we are going to the cinema tomorrow. Temporary situation. It describes situations that are not permanent. Example, I'm living in Jakarta for a short time. Common mistake. It is important that some verbs are not used in the form, for example, verbs like now, love, and belong. Okay, guys. Okay guys, that's my explanation. The end. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.